Hey guys, it's Michael, and today we're going to be showing you a few problems. Today we're going to be learning about average rate of change and inverses. For our first problem is a function is graphed below on which interval of x is the average rate of change of the function the smallest. Well, we are going to use the formula of y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So we are going to start off with our first 2 points, and we're going to plug that in to the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that is going to give us 12 minus 2 over 11 minus 4, which is going to equal 10 over 7, or 1 and 3/7. Now we are going to use the next 2 points and use those using the same formula of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that is going to give us 16 minus 12 over 18 minus 11, which is going to equal 4 over 7. We are then going to use the next 2 points, which is then going to give us 20 minus 16 over 38 minus 18, which is going to give us 4 over 20, which is equal to 1/5. We are then going to use our last 2 points. We're going to plug those in, which is going to give us 25 minus 20 over 57 minus 38, which will give us 5 over 19. So we are looking for the smallest rate of change. So we are going to look at our answers, and as you can tell, the smallest average rate of change is the 1/5, which is this section here. So for our next problem, we have for the function f of x equals square root 7 times x plus 5, we have to find the inverse. So first an inverse function reverses another function. So now we're going to start solving the problem. First, we are going to substitute the f of x for a y, which will give us y equals square root 7 times x plus 5. We are then going to switch the intervals, meaning we are going to put the x in place of the y and the y in place of the x. We are now going to square both sides because it is in a square root and we have to get rid of that. So we're going to square both sides, which will give us x squared equals 7 times y plus 5. We then have to divide both sides by 7, which will then give us x squared over 7 equals y plus 5. We must then subtract 5, which will give us x squared over 7 minus 5 equals y, which is denoted as f of x inverse equals x squared over 7 minus 5. So therefore, this one is our answer. Hey, thanks for joining us today, and I hope I made math sound as easy as a handstand.